Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see, also we are still here in the weekly, guys. And here in the weekly, what we got here that downtrend we've been following in the daily, but here in the weekly, guys, as you see it, we haven't break it. I know some people they showing you 2 days, 6 days, 4 days, so blah blah blah. All those things they don't work, guys. Majority time frames people they follow the weekly, monthly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. That's it. Don't try to mislead yourself. Okay? We need to wait in, guys, the weekly candle here to close that one. If it close like that, above that level, that man, there is big buyers they still in the market. Yes or no? If it's not, and if it show a rejection, and now it's showing a rejection, but not that much. If it show a rejection down here, and it's give you here a pin bar and the pushing beam from up, like that we are not going to enter, guys. Everything is too clear. And I got a lot of news for you today, guys. First news, I'm going to explain to you why that pushing up happening, guys. First thing, I told you, the election of UK and when it came that person who came there is a crypto friendly. Second thing, what happened in China and majority of investors, they put the money of them, they get scared and they started buying the crypto because crypto is very easy to hold it with you everywhere you want. Second thing, the liquidation. What happened here? A big liquidation happening here. I'll show it to you that day when it just started here down. It happened a big liquidation, guys. About $1 billion happening liquidation here. And let's go to see it where it happened exactly, guys. Here, the liquidation will happening, guys, as you see it. And the liquidation happening here, the first one, guys, it's FTX, or the broker of FTX is a US broker, as you see it. The liquidation happening there is $617 million only in one broker, guys. So maybe that one is a manipulation. We don't know exactly what's happening there. So the longs is 100 million, the short 500 million. Then the second one came, it's Binance. Binance is not that much, it's only 41 million, as you see them here. So that's why people they saying maybe that things will happen in here. It's just a manipulation from FTX, guys. Because it's the biggest here, as you see it. The others, all of them, if you collecting all of them, they will not bring you what's happening here in FTX, guys. So there is something not right. As you see it here, the rate here of the liquidation will happening. 82% of it, it happened all in one broker. Yes or no? 82% happening all in one broker, guys. And the rest, as you see, then 5%, 4%, 2%. It's normal, but something not right happening here in FTX, guys. Everything is too clear. It's going back to our chart. So in our chart, guys, there is nothing here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. And also, we don't follow no one and we don't put in referral link for any broker, guys. Because us, we are just retail traders like you. Not like majority of other people, they just put in for you referral links down. So if you want to subscribe with us, welcome, my friend. It's just a red button down. Click at that. Next to it, a bell. Turn it to all. So like that, when you put in something new, my friend, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Go to it now, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. Let's see more. Let's go now to the daily, guys. Here in the daily, guys, as you see, that volume here is the same thing. It's showing 2 days. It's going up, guys. Yes or no? And here in the top, the same like yesterday happening. There is a pushing from up. Yes or no? So here in the daily, should you buy? In the daily, it's buying, it's being from here. When it's breaking that candle here, it's being the buy. Till now, we need to wait in. There is a correction is coming, guys. Then maybe we're going to enter from it again. But till now, not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. And here, look what it's giving you. The same like the US dollar is given to you here. Because that one is very, very correlated to US dollar, guys. US dollar is going, it's falling. That one is going up. The same chart, same pattern you see here. If you go now to the DXY, you're going to find it the same one, guys. Because me, I've been trading all the whole day. Actually, people, they follow me in Forex. Me, I enter short in British pound. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, That was me. I told you now it's going to happen a correction, but also we need to wait it. And I'm going to tell you why. Because if you look in here, look with me here. What did we break? We break that last high we reached to it here in our indicator, guys. Is it break it here? Now we need to wait in the correction will going to happen here. Maybe it's going to come till here like that. Then after that, we'll go until the overbought. So also we will try to catch from here, guys. And I'm going to show you where to catch it, everything, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know the channel with how it can growing up. Yes. Go now, go. It will not take you that much, my friend. Just pause the video, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, then come back and continue with us. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Let's continue, guys. So here is going to happen a correction, guys. We are going to benefit from it and we will enter long. And we are going to put for you another video after European market close, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, guys, there is very, very, very interesting day. As you see it, guys, there is a lot of major news coming, guys. A lot of major news. First one is the one of Japan. The one of Japan, you know what it's saying today? The Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan, they said they are going to use the US dollar they have as a backup for their currency to buy their currency. Because the Japanese yen, guys, it reached to a level it's never reached to it. So what can we say? If you remember what happened to the Turkish lira, it's the same thing happening now to the Japanese yen. So them, they said they are going to use, because that things it will take long to explain it to you guys, but any country has got some of falling currency like US dollar as a collateral for to support their currency. So them, they said they are going to use it to support their currency, to buy it, so it doesn't fall down that much. Second things, what we got? The euro tomorrow, guys. As you see it, we got interest rate decision for the euro, guys. Then what we got else? The one of USA, durable goods of USA. Then we got the GDP of USA, initial job claims of USA, and the European Bank or ECB press conference, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things, guys. And by the way, about USA, let me show you something very important today. That one here, guys, what it's saying? The stock market of USA today, it came the big tech companies earnings, and all of them, it came very, very, very bad. And if you look in at the stock market, majority of it closed negative today. And the Nasdaq, it started going down, guys, as you see it, 2%. And the SP fell by 0.74. And tomorrow is coming more news, guys. They are going to help all those things to fall down. And the major who make those things to fall down is Google and Microsoft, Amazon, and a lot of companies, Tesla, all those big tech companies of USA today, the earnings of them, they came very bad. Everything is too clear? Let me show you something extra, guys. Here in our table, guys, that one also we follow every time, guys. What it's saying, guys? Where we are? US stocks. As you see it, the SP 500, the Nasdaq, all of them, they are red today. Yes or no? Look at that. Look from here to here. All of them, they are red. And that's what also we've been saying. The SP 0.74% today, and the Nasdaq 2% today. Then what we got else? The VIX, it fell down today by 4.15%, guys. But should we buy? Not yet. It's still above 20, guys. It's 27. Still very high, guys. And you don't know how is the week is going to end up. That's why me I told you wait in the weekly. And that's why me I told you it's still very, very, very early for you. I know some people, they are going to criticize me. They will tell me we are going to enter late, blah, 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 blah. But also we give you to enter in the place of safe, not just to put your money and throw it from the windows. Like that 1 billion which is gone. Liquidation. The VIX, it needs to be below 20. That's how you need to make decision to invest. Now it's still above 20. It's still very, very high, dangerous to put your money now. Remember my word. Another thing, what we got? The US dollar. It doesn't fall that much. It's 0.11, guys, as you see it. It's coming very, very major news, and the interest rate is coming, guys. And another thing, very important, the inflation doesn't pivot, guys, and doesn't peak, or whatever, call it any name. It doesn't give you like that, a triangle like that. That man is going to fall down. It's still too high, guys. It's 8.2%, I think. So you need to make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's going back to the chart to show you more, guys. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, people, they've been with us as we enter from here. we enter long from here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. We enter from here. Look where we are. Very nice profit we took, guys. No one can give you something like that. Now we are in that level, guys. We are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. I can even show it to you if you want. But here in that level where we are, did we got any price action, guys? No, we don't got any price action here. The only thing we got hit there is that candle inside bar, but that one is not a major thing to base your trading on it. You can fall down and it can go back. But the price action, we don't got nothing here, guys. So it's need to give us here like a double top or triple top or a wedge or a triangle or anything for us to base our trading to enter short. Till now there is nothing like here. How it happened here. It gave us here a down channel and it came and break it here. Then us we enter. Another thing here, guys. Let me show it to you. That the top of that channel here. You see it? My view personally, I think, is going to make a correction till here, till the top of that channel. Then also we're going to see if we're going to find a buying opportunity or not here. If it's going to give us another high like that. If it's not, maybe it's going to give us here a price action. Then it's going to fall down. I'm going to tell you all those things, guys. It's our indicators. Let's go and show you something very, very, very important, guys. Here in our indicator, guys, what you see in here? What you seeing? You came to that peak here and you see it. It's going up. Yes or no? Over here, that peak, if you make a close eye, you see that one is going up and that one is high than that one. Yes or no? Even if you came here and you bring in that thing here, that one, that plus, as you see it, it's showing here and over here is high than it. Yes or no? Another thing, let's go into the chart. What you seeing, guys, here? That one here and here. That peak is it here and that one is it here, guys. You got a very, very, very clear hiding divergence, guys, as you see it. If you came like that, you draw it like that, a level like that, and here a level like that. You see it or no? You got a very clear divergence here, guys. It's a hidden divergence, not a real divergence. It's a hidden divergence. The real divergence, it happened for us when we used to be here, if you remember it. It happened to us here, a divergence, guys, if you remember it. Now, over here it happened, a hidden divergence. You see it or no? It might don't want to go higher a little bit, then after that it's going to drop, but also we don't care. It's need the weekly candle to finish and here to give us a correction for us to enter. Also we don't enter from the top of the building, guys. Also we enter from the first floor, then we climb in the stairs. Remember that very, very, very well. Everything is too clear and I'm going to come to update you guys after European market close. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. You done it? Welcome to the family. Let's go to see our other indicator, guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying? We are here at the overbought area. We don't got any price action apart from that hiding divergence I show you, but we don't got something special here. Tell also there is a falling, and if you remember, we enter from here, guys, and over here we take profit. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to show you something extra in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video, guys? I told you got here a price action. You got over here a wedge, as you see it. I told you if it came and breaking down, you enter short. I told you that in the last video, guys. You can find it still in the channel. And what did I told you else? Let me show you. What did I told you else here, guys? I told you, look at it. You got a very, very, very clear divergence here. Look at it. What you seeing, guys? What you seeing from here and what you seeing here? Something not right, guys. Yes or no? Where it's peaking? Here. It's man, is it here? Over here, that indicator of us, it's showing to us, it's falling. It's giving you lower low. And the one, what it doing here, giving you higher high. There is something not right. Yes or no? Are you with me or no? You seeing what I'm seeing or no? Look here. Look like that. And look here. What you seeing? That one me have been followed all the whole day to enter in it short. But it doesn't give it to me a signal to enter in it short. Let's see tomorrow maybe. Another thing, what we got? Our indicator, guys. It's been here at the overbought area all that time. And I told you, me have been following all the whole day. That wage I got here to being broken, guys. If it's going to be broken here, I'm going to enter short in it. Then I'm going to wait in when it's going to enter here at the oversold area. I'm going to wait in to enter a long again. That's how I'm trading, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after the European market close. Bye for now, guys.